Woo! Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. We're in our new car. Yes, we got a new car. Can you believe it? I'm gonna show y'all more than just the inside. I'm in the passenger princess seat, according to my husband. I'll have to tell you all the story. But guess what came yesterday when we were car shopping? That's right, the Dooney of the month. So Tara's video went out yesterday. So I need to go ahead and get mine out ASAP. So once again, when we do the Dooney bag of the month, and we do that very little editing, we do it as soon as it comes in and available. So like I said, it came in yesterday, Saturday, while we were out shopping for this vehicle all day, and I was just too exhausted in the evening to put it out to do anything. And okay, so here it is, and here's my invoice. So this one is called the, oh, it's not my Dooney bag of the month. All right, I'll do the video anyway. This is the cosmetic case that came from eBay. It's a Dooney accessory. So this will now turn into a Dooney accessories. So to support Ola May, hashtag accessory, August August or August accessory, one of those. I don't know. I'll put it here somewhere. So I finally broke down and I got this baby. I found it on sale on eBay. It went on sale, which I want to say it was a little bit cheaper. It's the eBay. It's the I Love Dooney site on eBay, because they're on eBay and you get free shipping there. And so is there a price on here? So I got this for $44.85. $44.85. I don't remember what the original price was. I'll try to put that all in there. But it is the blue cosmetic hydrangea. Yay, to go with my hydrangea collection. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, the other side, the bottom. I've been wanting one, so I pulled the trigger and got it. Here is the strap. I love that. I love the braiding details. And y'all know how much I love pouches, so this would be definitely a great material or cosmetics or what have you. It has this, and here is the inside. Here, of course, the registration, and it has a little pocket back here. So it's really, really cute. It has the white canvas on the inside is what I like. I like that. So it's a beautiful, beautiful piece. The flowers are distributed very well. And we all know what the DB really means. It really means Dee Bean. Dee Bean. Not Dooney and Bourke, Dee Bean. Just plain. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. At least you get a sneak peek of the car. And I'll put this out, I don't know when. Stay tuned for the Dooney bag of the month. It said it's supposed to come August the 8th. That's why I was so excited. I thought, oh, it came already, but no, it didn't. So August the 8th, which really means August the 10th, because of how our mail comes around here. All right, Bean Beauty, love y'all. Bye-bye.